Welcome! Hi, I'm Fen, designer here at the Bead Flora studio. Today I will be showing you how to make these French beaded wild spring blossoms. It is the first project in my new book, self-titled Bead Flora. In addition to today's video demo, you will be able to get a free PDF download also. So head over to the Beading Gem Journal where you can download the free PDF and also enter in a chance to win an autographed copy of the book. You can also get an autographed copy at beadflora.com. If you purchase directly from me, you will save $2 off of the retail price. I will also ship internationally, but if getting an autographed copy is not a top priority for you, you can certainly save on the shipping if you buy it through Amazon. It is on Amazon Prime through Canada, the UK, Australia, France, and many other countries as well. If for some reason you aren't able to get it online, you can certainly ask your local book retailer or bead store and help you order it. So with that said, let's go ahead and start with French Beaded Flowers 101, these wild spring flowers. On a 10-inch length of wire, string 5 beads. Position the beads in the middle of the wire. Cross the wires beneath the beads and twist twice to form a loop. Leave a 5-inch tail and make 5 10-bead loops. Twist both wires together at the base. Cut 5 inches of wire from the spool. Leave a 5-inch tail and make a 10-bead loop. Move the working wire to the left. Feed enough beads onto the working wire and wrap it around the initial loop. Reposition so that the tail wire is facing up so that it is easier to wrap. Take the bare wire and wrap it behind the tail wire, then bring it back to the front. You now have one 10-bead double wraparound loop. Make sure the working wire is on the right. Leave about 1/4 inch of bare wire so that there will be enough room to wrap for the next petal. Make another 10-bead loop. Move the working wire to the left and feed more beads from the spool. Make another wraparound loop. Follow the above steps until you have all 5 petals. You now have 5 10-bead double continuous wraparound loops. Twist both wires together at the base. Cut another 5 inches of bare wire from the spool. Move 3 beads to the end of the wire. At the 1-inch mark, make a cross with the working wire to form a loop. Adjust the loop so that it is about 5 inches in length. The lengths of the top and bottom wires may vary depending on the size of the petal and leaf. Most of the time, it doesn't matter as long as you have enough room to wrap. Twist the wires together down about 1 inch. This is called the basic frame. We started with 3 beads, so this is called a 3-bead basic. Position the working wire to the left. Feed the beads onto the working wire. Removing any excess beads, place the bare working wire over the basic row. Wrap the working wire behind the basic wire, then back to the front. Reposition the basic frame. Wrap the working wire around the twisted wire. You now have 3 rows. Follow the above steps until you have 7 rows. Cut the end of the loop so that both wires are flush. You now have 2 bottom wires. Cut the basic wire, leaving about 1/8 inch of wire left. Fold the wire to the back of the petal. Put the center in the hole of the petals. Then put all the wires in the hole of the calyx. Twist the wires together. Stretch the end of the floral tape, then wrap the stem with it. The stretching of the floral tape makes it more sticky. Pull on the tape whenever you are wrapping. Place the leaves on the stem where you like to attach them, then wrap them in So head over to the Beading Gem Journal and download the PDF, and also for a chance to win a copy of the book. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and please subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!